The legend returns. The all-new 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 has finally been unveiled, and it's not just an update, it's a rebirth of one of the most iconic muscle bikes ever built. For decades, the VMAX has stood as a symbol of raw power, brutal acceleration, and unmistakable presence. Now, Yamaha has pushed it into the future, with modern technology, aggressive design, and performance that promises to raise the bar for power cruisers everywhere. At first glance, the design speaks louder than words. The 2026 VMAX keeps the muscular stance that has always defined its DNA but sharpens it with futuristic lines and aerodynamic touches. The massive air scoops remain a signature, but they are reshaped with sharper angles and integrated LED strips that give the bike a menacing, almost mechanical beast aesthetic. Up front, a new LED headlight unit with split-beam technology projects a fierce look, while the rear design is sleeker, with thin LED taillights wrapping around the tail section. The frame blends aluminum and high-strength steel for rigidity, while Yamaha has shaved weight where possible to make the bike more manageable without sacrificing its intimidating presence. The heart of the machine is, of course, the V4 engine. Yamaha has upgraded the legendary 1679cc powerplant with modern refinements that push performance and efficiency to new levels. Displacement hovers around 1700 cc, but the tuning, intake system, and electronics have been re-engineered to deliver smoother throttle response and even more brutal mid-range torque. Riders can expect horsepower figures that easily surpass the previous generation, making the new VMAX one of the most powerful production motorcycles in its class. The V4 growl has been preserved but refined, thanks to a new exhaust system that balances Yamaha's compliance with emissions standards while still delivering that unmistakable, deep-throated roar every VMAX fan craves. Power is nothing without control, and Yamaha has gone all in on technology. The 2026 VMAX V4 features a full suite of electronic rider aids, including traction control, cornering abs, and multiple ride modes. Riders can choose between sport, touring, and range settings, each adjusting throttle sensitivity, power delivery, and traction parameters to match the conditions. A 6-axis IMU ensures the electronics are always working in the background to keep the rider confident without dulling the raw character of the bike. Handling has also seen major improvements. The suspension system is fully adjustable front and rear, offering preload, compression, and rebound settings for riders who want to fine-tune their ride. A new inverted front fork provides stability and confidence under hard braking, while the rear monoshock has been reworked for comfort on long rides without sacrificing cornering ability. The shaft drive system remains, keeping with the VMAX tradition and offering smooth, low-maintenance power delivery. Combined with a slightly refined chassis geometry, the bike handles better than ever before, striking a balance between cruiser comfort and sport bike sharpness. Braking power comes from dual large-diameter discs at the front with radial-mounted calipers, paired with a powerful rear disc system. Together with Yamaha's advanced ABS, stopping performance is immediate, confidence-inspiring, and essential for taming the huge power the VMAX delivers. The wheels are wrapped in high-performance tires designed to put all that torque to the ground without drama, whether blasting down highways or carving through sweeping bends. The cockpit has been modernized with a full-color TFT display, replacing the analog-digital combo of the previous generation. The new dash provides real-time information on speed, revs, fuel consumption, ride mode, and system status, all in a layout that is crisp and easy to read even under bright sunlight. Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to pair their smartphones, giving access to navigation, music control, and call notifications. The handlebar controls have been redesigned for easier toggling between functions, ensuring riders can focus on the road while accessing the bike's advanced features. Yamaha has also considered rider ergonomics. The seat height is slightly lower than before, making the bike more accessible without compromising ground clearance. The riding position strikes a balance between aggressive and relaxed, with wide handlebars and mid-mounted footpegs designed for control during acceleration while remaining comfortable for longer journeys. A passenger seat is integrated seamlessly into the design, with grab handles that don't disrupt the muscular lines of the bike. In terms of practicality, Yamaha has worked to make the new VMAX more usable in everyday riding. Fuel efficiency has improved slightly thanks to the updated engine management system, though it remains a big capacity machine that demands premium fuel. Heat management has been upgraded with more effective cooling channels, which is crucial for riders in hot climates. Maintenance is simplified with improved access to key components, although as with any high-performance machine, servicing will still require care and expertise. But beyond the specs and features, what really defines the 2026 VMAX V4 is the experience. Twist the throttle, and the bike surges forward with an unstoppable wave of torque that pins you to the seat. The acceleration is brutal yet controlled, with the electronics ensuring the tire doesn't lose grip even as the engine roars. It's not just about speed, it's about the visceral feeling of commanding a machine built to dominate the road. Every ride becomes a statement, every stoplight a chance to unleash the beast within. This is not a motorcycle for everyone. The VMAX V4 2026 is unapologetically bold, a machine for riders who want presence, performance, and personality in equal measure. It demands respect, both from its rider and from those who see it pass by. On the open highway, it devours miles with effortless power. In the city, it commands attention with its muscular stance and thunderous sound. And when parked, it stands as a masterpiece of engineering and design, blending Yamaha's heritage with a vision of the future. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a legend reborn, crafted for those who refuse to blend in. With its mix of raw V4 power, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive design, it redefines what a power cruiser can be. Whether you're a longtime VMAX fan or a rider looking for the ultimate expression of muscle on two wheels, this bike is built to thrill, to intimidate, and to inspire.